Red, look. Red will study the MAPE.
MAPE for examine.
Okay, true or false? Listen, number 1. Only the teachers and the security personnel are responsible in keeping the school safe.
False.
Okay. Most school accidents happen during PE classes, playground activities, and sports contests. True or false? Okay. The school is your second home. You should do your part to keep it safe.
True.
Red, don't rotate. Nakakahilo. Aside from being careful in physical activities, you should also watch out for safe and unsafe conditions in school. True or false?
True.
Okay. Put check if the statement shows safe practice in school. Otherwise, X. Example of check. Observe reminders posted around the school. Play pranks with your classmates. Check or X. Always be ready to help others.
Checky.
Do get into fights and be a bully.
X.
Use the pedestrian lane when crossing.
Check.
Okay. Write the things you are going to do in each situation. I see my classmate throwing his banana peel on the floor. What will you do?
Throw it in the trash bin.
Okay. You have a reason because
Maybe they'll slip and fall.
you answer here because maybe will fall or get hurt.
Yeah.
I see that the swing has a loose screw. What will you do?
I'll warn them to don't go to the swing.
Because I will tell them not to go to the swing because
Maybe they'll get hurt.
they're right, the swing will fall. Okay? My friends keep teasing and pushing each other on the staircase. What will you do? My friends keep
Tell them to
teasing.
stop.
Because, what is the reason?
Maybe they'll get hurt or get in an accident. I don't know what.
Maybe one person fall down the staircase.
Yeah.
Never,
Ever.
as a
bully.
school advocate, make a poster to be safe on school. Ano nilagay mo?
Never bully.
Okay, very good.